Happy December 19th. We have Sage and Jack. Snowman. Oh, another pistachio heart. Felix is gonna be like, what are you doing? You wanna join the party? Yes, you do. And here's Danny. Almost everyone is here. All right, you guys, we're gonna open this one. Oh, Nutmeg's here. Okay, get it. I got my nails done yesterday. I don't want to ruin them, so let me grab my tool. That's a ball, Sage. Let's see if I can shake it out. Apparently I can't. There we go. There you go, Nutmeg. You can play with it, just don't eat it. And there it goes. Oh, here's Sally. Sally's wearing her onesie, recovering from her surgery yesterday. She's doing really good. All right, let me put that up. Now we're gonna do the Stolen Cakes, 19, right here. And it is the walnut one. Really good, but I've had it like 80 times. What do you think? Yep, you want to destroy that so bad. It's now time for your guys's. Sorry if I don't sound 100% today. Yesterday was a long day with Sally's surgery and me worrying about her. Come on, boys. No fighting. I guess I'm doing the cat advent calendar by myself. Where is everyone? So, yeah. Today's a new day. So I'm done with all my scheduled appointments for the year. Yay. So the next, well, besides Christmas, hard to relax around Christmas, but I was just about to say no more obligations till the end of the year. So, yay. All right, Jack's smart. He came. There you go. Oh, Sage, I was wondering where you were at. There you go, Sage. I see Honey. Let me grab these real quick before Jack tries to eat them all. Honey, you can do it. Oh, you can have that one since I accidentally dropped it. Sage, you can do it. All right, here, Honey, that's fine. I'm coming to you. Coming to you, Honey. Come on. I love you. Here you go. I'll give you two. Danny, you don't need to steal honeys. There's one for you. And Sally, one more. You had a hard day yesterday. You get the last one. Such good little kitties. Such good little kitties. Uh-oh. Nutmeg was the only one who didn't get one. Sorry, Nutmeg. Let me go find you a different treat. Plenty of cat treats in this house. I'm sorry to break it to you, kitties, but that's it. No more treats. We're done. Sage, are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? You're not facing me. That usually means you're mad at me. I'm going to open my favorite pop-up calendar. So, no more for you guys. Could you scooch out of the way so I can open it? Is that possible? Is that possible? No? All right. All right, I got to do this quickly before more cats come. Felix, you're a little late to the party. I'll get you a treat in a second. Let's see. Sorry, Felix. You guys. Am I holding it the correct way? No peace in this house. There we go. Number 19. Oh, it is the mayor's vehicle. What do you think about that, Jack? It's the mayor's vehicle. Yeah. I'm just gonna hang it right there. Then I'm gonna put it away because here's all the cats gonna come destroy my tree. Yep, Sally. You guys are, look at that, chewing on it already. Chewing it. Oh my God, cannot have nice things in this house. Merry Christmas.